Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Understanding responsibility, a car accident scenario. In the blink of an eye, life can change dramatically. Imagine a bustling intersection on a sunny day, vehicles moving in harmony, then suddenly chaos. A car crash. In the aftermath, there's confusion, panic, but through it all, one word stands tall: responsible. Who's responsible? In the legal sense, it's about who caused the accident and who didn't follow the rules of the road. But responsibility goes deeper than that. It's about understanding and acknowledging our actions and their consequences. Think of it as a ripple in a pond. One action, a moment's distraction, a split-second decision can spread out, affecting not just those involved in the crash, but their families, friends, and even strangers. Remember, being responsible isn't just about avoiding blame. It's about making safe choices and respecting the lives of others. So, as you navigate through life, take a moment to consider your own responsibility. And if this message resonates, do leave a comment. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Remember, every choice creates a ripple. Make yours count.